Not a big deal. 115 here, back again with another video, fourth video of the day. Today I'm coming with you with an oldie. So I've got the good old Fire Strike. It's electronically based. It has mag holders that all just join into one. I only have 4 mags. Not all of them are full because I've lost a lot of darts around this place. So here we go. It takes a while to reload, as I'll show you now. Be a pain in the absolute arse to load this on a battlefield or like during a apocalypse or something. So yeah, I've only got 4. Now it's motorised engine, controlled by this little by a little button at the bottom. You cannot fire without that on. You have the little capsule there. That means you can, if you have any jams, you can easily get to it. And this bit here, you can push, and it turns the mags round. Here we go. So just a little bit of a lift height, and that goes absolute miles, rapid fire. That's one mag. I'm just going to see how far I'll go. So in my other videos I've done today, I've done range tests, and this was, how long was this? This was 32 feet. So one of them made around 32 feet, and then it's one of them made all the way back here and bounced back, which I would estimate, I don't know, near enough about 64 feet. Near enough 64 feet. Here we go, I'm going to pick up all the butts and have a pain in the ass. Five. That's 6. I think that's all of them. At last, so if I can stop going. What I'm going to do is I'm going to rapid fire it. I'm going to place all these mags together. Especially if you're left-handed, it can be quite irritating. Because it pushes on you. It requires a good right hand, which is all around. Start here. Let's see how many bullets I can fire. 3, 2. As you can see, I'm going to have to go pick up a lot of fucking bullets. That fired, I think, around about 22 shots. I think that was near about 30 seconds. Let me just count. 24. Sorry. 24 bullets in under 30 seconds. Hope you enjoy, guys, and dudes out.